Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome back to my family room here. Today I have the Instant Read digital food thermometer. So I do a lot of barbecuing and cooking. I like to cook, especially now with everything going on in the world. You need to do a lot more cooking than usual. So making sure the meat is cooked is very important. Also, I wanted to remind you, like and subscribe, like this video and subscribe to it. I'll put up the links to subscribe and everything. So here's what it looks like here. So we're gonna open it up and take a look. It's taped closed, so see what I can do here. So let's check out what's inside. So let's see what we got here. We have the user instructions, which is thankfully, oops, I dropped it in English, so that's good. And then we have the thermometer here, and it's kind of got a little, it opens up like this, so you can, oh, it's actually on right now, so you can, so it's right now, the temperature in my house is 76 degrees. Let me see if I put this on here. Yep, look, it's going up. So it obviously works, so it's good. And so it's nice to know that you can do it this way. And then also if you want to keep it like in an oven or you got something farther away, it's got this little remote probe here. So I can do it this way and you can kind of, oops, let me see. So you can see there we're at 80 something. And then if I put my hand on it, well, I think I already heated it up. There, it's going up a little bit more. But yeah, so I can do it remotely. So I can put this wire into the oven and have the contraption sitting out of it. So it's pretty nice. I really like this one. I pretty much knew what I was getting when I got it, but you can set different alarms and stuff. And it's got it turns off automatically, auto off. And it is the dual probe thermometer because it's got the probe on there. So you can just stab it if you just want to use this thing. This is probably what I'll do because when I'm barbecuing and stuff, I'll just kind of stick it into the meat, check the temperature of it. And oh, it's got a little plastic cover of it. Ooh, now it's nice and shiny. Okay, so that's it. And it's got the little place I could put in a new battery if I needed to in the back, but looks like it came with a battery, so we're good to go. Really good, I like it. I mean, it's got a little place to put my finger too. I guess the one thing I would say it would be nice to have is if it tells you like a little setting on here of what the temperature should be for different meats. So it would say chicken 180, beef 130 or whatever. But I can look that up online and know what it is anyway, so it's good. But let me see if there's anything else about it. Actually, it's got the whole meter of what everything should be right there. So as long as I keep it in the box and keep the box with me, I'm good to go, which I will do because I'm good about that stuff. And I have to put this thing somewhere anyway, so I'm gonna have to keep that. So that's kind of it. This is the Instant Read digital thermometer. Sorry, I got a little boring there, but it's really awesome. I really like it, and I'm glad I have it because I do a lot of barbecuing and a lot of cooking. And thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and like, whichever direction is, whatever, push the buttons. And thanks for watching. Take care, everybody.